Good evening, and we're back. So with Bob and I here with his bright yellow t-shirt. We've had a trip out to Chesterfield to see the young people, haven't we? And we've got Neil here, and we've got Russ. So we just had our tea, the bread and pie, which is a bit dry, but anyway, we're here and we're going to discuss maybe with Nigel something about the national, aren't we? Yeah. And we've had a chat with Russ and his Husky. If anyone's seen his YouTube video from MJK Blasting, is it?
MJK, yeah.
God, I remember that. Yeah, MJK Blasting, he had his Husky sandblasted.
Yeah.
Very therapeutic.
Danny Cole's recommended by
yeah. And he's done a good job, hasn't he?
Yeah, it was great.
Just got to get your finger out of it together now,
that's
aren't you?
people keep telling me.
We'll have a race where the Bob gets his black car fixed first, so you get the Husky done, and I'm sure the Husky will be done first.
Well, that's up to Jeff, really, isn't it?
Well, then, you're going to have the Husky done. So, we're going to catch up when the others come in. And Neil, you're in your van, aren't you? There's no imps yet, is there?
No imps here today. Not yet. It's early.
We've come from work.
Okay. So have I have. Bob and I have had a 2.5-hour journey. So we'll catch up when the others rock up, and we'll hopefully have some Ilman imps to look at, and more chitter chatter, eh?
Yeah.
A bit of an update on the national rally with a bit of luck.
An update on Gary's car. He's painted.
Oh yeah, oh my God! You don't want an update on my murder scene, but anyway, we'll catch up shortly. Right, so we've got Nigel here, and here's the rest of the gang. Everybody here. Sean, not really old guy.
I don't know who he is.
We've got John, Darren, Roger, and we've got
Nigel
here. He's the chief organiser.
Me and Darren are.
You and Darren to the internet. Hello, Darren. Just going to quiz you on the national. We've got Sue Knight here. Say hello, Sue.
Hello.
She's on a special visit this week. So there's Neil. There's all the gang. So how's the prep going for the?
It's going with bang on target.
Are we? And we've got plenty of people looking in.
Yes, it's coming on nicely.
Right, that's
How many? Oh, I'm not a little bit to say.
more than one.
All I will say is regalia sales are doing very well.
You have to get in
I
quick
want
and
you
early.
to book more regalia, don't we, Darren?
Yeah. And are you reasonably priced?
Price to
Being
sell.
Yorkshire, it's got to be cheap, hasn't it?
Very keen.
Yeah, quite cheap people, cheap merchandise over here.
We're not in Yorkshire.
Oh, sorry, yeah, you're Derbyshire, aren't you? You're posh. Off part of Yorkshire.
I'm from Yorkshire.
Well, we're from the right side of the Pennines, aren't we? So, Lancashire is better than Chesterfield. Anyway, so you've got quite a few things lined up, haven't you, Nigel?
Yes, we've got. Andy Jones is doing Friday night.
There you go. See, Lancashire lad.
Yeah, no, saying no more on that.
He's got his little trolley all souped up, hasn't he? Ready to go.
And he oiled the bearings and things like that.
He won't do that, will he? Don't do that in his engines, does he? So he's not going to do it on this trolley.
No, we've got some nice runs out. We've got 2 scenic drives, one on Friday, one on Saturday. And then we've got what I call standalone runs. We've got 9 different places where you can go straight from the rugby club to wherever you want to go, like the Great British Car Journey, Cryche, Lady Bower Reservoir, famous for the dam busters, all sorts of
You've got
things.
plenty for people to do, haven't you? Young and old.
Young and old.
Which is great, having a good selection of something different, because people just don't want to do what everybody else does, do they?
No.
So it's going to be a good weekend. And if you want the weather,
Yeah, Darren's booked the weather. That's what he tells me.
no rain. We don't want rain.
No.
Right, that's the most. And then we've got Sue. You're coming along, aren't you, Sue?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you're going to be doing forward to it. You're doing the prize giving.
I don't know.
Yeah, the trophies are coming this week.
Oh, plenty of trophies. I won't win one this year. I won't be a member. No, I'm not an imp member. So I'll be a visitor. So I'll be winning the visitors class. Well done. In my Ford. No, so we've got a cracking turnout, haven't we? 13 is a record. 14. However, we've not even got one in. How disappointing.
Well, it's the weather.
We'll show you up tomorrow night when we're at Warrington, and we'll have about 20 cars.
It'll be dry.
We'll have about 5 cars. Yeah, I think, and we'll let's go and walk and look at the cars. Because there's none here. Pointless. So we're all snugged up in this corner, and this is. You're all coming to the national, are you all?
Yes.
Yes. All the cars.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm bringing 3 in. Yeah.
You're driving them all.
Yeah.
That's all at once. That's fun. Well, we're going to check out, and we'll see you all at the national, and everybody else who's comes as well.
Yeah, thank you.
So from Chesterfield, see you later.